Here are some ideas
Hello, good morning. This is Teacher Jacob. This video is for ninth grade. It's gonna be about reading exercise on page 46. And this is what we're gonna do. Today, it's May 21st, okay, this date. May 21st, and the topic that we are gonna study, it's about reading skills, okay? So reading skill, it's the topic for today. We're gonna work on your book on page 46. It is about reading, pronunciation, and so many things like that. So remember, these exercises that you're gonna do or you are doing with me in this moment, you are reading with me. These exercises are going to be for the next bimester. I mean, don't worry too much for send me evidence. At the moment, it's not necessary evidence or evidences because later we are gonna receive. So be clear what I want. Remember, it's very important also that if you want to do something or you don't understand, what you can do is to stop the video. Let me see, one moment. So you see, when anytime you want to, you can, put pause and do repeat again the video and listen in what we want to do in this class. So something else that I need you to do is to write or to copy on your notebook the activities that you are doing. So when everything will be normal, or perhaps in next month, you're gonna have classes in the classroom. So you can show me, for example, you say page 46, this is my exercises, or this is my work, my activity that I did. For example, remember also that these classes that we're gonna have, these classes, the idea is to help you to complete the book, okay? Not really, okay, will be another classes where I am gonna teach you how to, how to talk, how to listen, and how to understand. But those classes are going to be completely different. So in this class, my idea is that you need to read on page 46, but you have to do some exercises on your notebook. So you need to complete, and next month, you're going to show me your book, or also you can show me on your notebook. So on your notebook, you can say page 46, activities, activities 1, 2, 3, exercises 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, that's what I want you to do it. I hope so you understand what I'm talking to. So in this exercise, we're gonna do several exercises, several activities. So please go to your book. So put pause and open your book on page 46. Pause, please. Right? So now we are using the book. So activity 1, if you notice this is page 46, unit 4, is gonna be about pronunciation. This is what I want you telling you about pronunciation. Sometimes it depends of the person, it depends of the people, it depends of the country also. Because if you are listening a lot of English, you can discover that American people Asian people, African people, European people, even Latin American people, Colombian people, we talk different. So there are many differences between those countries. So pronunciation sometimes is a little, well, it has some kind of uh, different accents, different stress marks, but in general, there are some words that are normally or international. And that's what I want to tell you. When we are talking about pronunciation, it's very good, it's necessary to understand or to try to study to memorize international pronunciation, okay, international words. So here, number one, it is, if you look here, let me show you here, underline the words with a different vowel sound. So for example, number one, A, it says that it's necessary to circle or underline, I'm sorry, underline with a pencil or pen, underline the sound O, 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 O. For example, put, but, good, and foot. So you need to choose one, okay? And the sound is O, O, O. Pronounce O, all right? Nevertheless, in English, you pronounce O, but in this moment is O. Repeat, A, put, but, good, foot. B, pronounce a little bit similar O, a little similar O. But here it sounds like, here there is another difference. It's some people say O or some people say ah, ah, okay? So let's change here for up. Ah, ah, like normal ah. For example, up, umbrella, umbrella, some, cool, cool. So you need to say one with oh, oh, oh. You notice when you're talking in general, you don't say ooh. You just talk natural. I mean, nobody is gonna say stop and pronounce exactly. Even if it is an exercise or an example, could be say, all right, they pronounce up. You know, umbrella, some, or cool. C. Let's go to letter C. Pronounce out. So here we have out, under, thousand, down, down. So if you listen and then you circle, pronounce the same vowel, ah. And here it's normal, similar like two, off, on, one, one, concert. Okay, and this is spelling. Let's go to underline the sounds o, a, o, or ow, ow. Yes, or up. Here, exercise number 3. According to this, you need to discover, underline. For example, how do you find out? Find out. So find out is here this sound. So you underline find out. You underline the pronunciation. So you say here is how pronounce out. And how do you find out about events in your area? B. What is on your area that people look forward to seeing each year? So in this moment, for example, you can see O. So what is on your area that people look forward to seeing each year? C. How many people usually show up for the event? All right. According to the speaking activity, a speaking activity, local event. So my idea is that you need to talk for 1 minute about. But this more than talking for the next classes mean you write first, prepare yourself. So you need to write what are you gonna talk. So working first and answer the question from pronunciation. Use questions so it will be another pair about. So your mission is to speak about what is the difference between American pronunciation and British pronunciation. So you're gonna say that, okay, whatever you wanna say, you're gonna talk for 1 minute. Okay? So let's go for reading comprehension. So according to the reading comprehension, sometimes it's good to to have a general idea what is the topic or what is the main idea. Okay, so we can understand any reading if we read first the titles or the headings. When we read the headings, we have an idea. The reading is going to talk about something like that. All right, so another suggestion to understand what is going to talk about the reading, it's when you read the questions and then you have an idea what is the reading talks about. So let's read the questions and then you have an idea what is going to read or what is the reading talk about. So reading, rain or shine. So you need to know first, rain or shine is giving you the idea that this is going to talk about rain or shine. So you need, of course, you need to have a vocabulary, because if you don't have vocabulary, it's going to be complicated for you to understand this reading. Okay? So let me read, and then you have a general idea. So reading, so here is where we are reading. So reading, rain or shine. Read the exchanges and number them in order. So we have to say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. So we need to take the order, okay, according to these readings. Work in pairs, answer the question. So, but in this case, you're gonna do individually in your house. So you're going to answer number 2, activity number 2, the question. So for example, what does Joel offer to do? So answer there. So you whatever you say, okay, there, this is the answer too. B, what does she promise? And C, why did Chris get wet at the concert? So why? So you write there, or you can also write page 46, exercise number 2, and the letter B is, and then you write the answer, okay? That's another suggestion that you can do it. So why did Chris get wet at the concert? So you copy quickly page, exercise 2, exercise 2, question C, and the answer is this, and this. And D, finally, what does Chris offer to do? All right, so remember those questions you can answer also on your notebook, okay? You need to write page and exercise 2, letter A, B, C, and D. Answer the questions, okay? So, okay, now 3, in pairs, say why the weather did not rain the event for Chris. So why? Yeah, so why? So why the rain doesn't destroy the event? So you're giving a reason. So you can copy also that. And work 4, working groups describe outdoor events that you attend. Ask and answer questions about each other events. So this is if it happening to you. For example, if you have or if you went or if you assisted to a concert, so tell us how was the organization, how was the concert. It was good at the time and whatever. Yes, and then you can write also on your book. So let me see, 1, 2, 3. Let's read from here until here. I'm gonna read this for you. I'm gonna read very slow. Remember this, I don't understand. I can put pause and then pause, and then I copy the question that I don't understand, and then I'm going to Amphidias or with my coordinator, I'm gonna ask him or her to send my question. Okay, according to the reading, according to the book, according to the page. So remember this. You imagine you are learning how to read in another language. So you are learning how to read in English. So there are gonna be some different steps to get correctly the way that you read. Okay, so let's read very slow, and then you are going to understand, and perhaps you can complete these exercises. So one, it sounds awesome. Notice this. My idea is that you listen and read. Okay, listen and read mentally. It sounds awesome. I'm looking forward to seeing the pictures. Shall I come over tonight? I won't be late. I promise you. 2. Hi, Joe. The concert was amazing. Even though the weather was awful. There was water everywhere. Everything got really wet. I didn't recognize anybody, but it didn't matter. John couldn't see anything because he was covered in mud. Somebody gave him an umbrella. I don't know who. Everybody had a great time and nobody complained. By the way, shall I send you the pictures we took, or do you want to come over, Chris? Remember, I can put pause and then you can continue reading. Okay? Listen and read mentally. Hi, Joe. There's a one-day musical festival in the park on Saturday. Everyone's going. Shall I try to get tickets, Chris? Continue. Yes, that's a good idea. Try it and get 2 tickets. I'll send John an email. It's too bad you can't come. I'll let you know how it goes on Sunday. Chris. You see, listen and read mentally. Let's go to this part. Let's go to this. I can't go. It's my cousin's birthday. But I know someone who has tickets. Shall I ask him for 2 tickets for you? Is anyone else going? What about John Joy? And finally, okay, talk to you on the weekend. Have a fantastic time. You see, what I want is you understand, you listen, and read at the same times. And then you can have a general idea what is talking, and then answer the exercise 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? And that's what I want you to do it. So I hope so you understood this reading classes. I don't know if it's boring, but I think so you understand. So see you. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.